Looking for top-tier, free prompts to generate stunning images in Google Flow or other AI tools? In this video, I'm going to introduce 4 of the absolute best prompt libraries that will completely level up your AI artwork. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Desire so you never miss out on our upcoming AI tutorials. Just like in my previous video, I'm using Google Flow to generate free images, and I've put the links to all the websites I use right down in the description box. To get started, we click on New Project right here. Once we land on this page, we click on this option where, under the Image section, we can select our aspect ratio and image model. I'll keep it on Image to Image, Nano to Nano 2, and set it to generate a single image. The first site I want to introduce is PromptHero. It features a huge collection of free prompts, and right at the top, it categorizes images based on the specific image generation models used, so you can easily browse through them. Plus, after signing up, it gives you 10 free credits, and by clicking on your credits, you can actually generate images directly inside the site using their prompts. There's a massive variety of prompts available here that you can freely use. Out of all these images, I really like this one with a dog and a cat sitting in a subway. I'll click on it, which brings us to this page. You can click on the image itself to view it in full size, and it's a really interesting image. All you need to do here is click Copy, and the prompt for that image gets copied to your clipboard. Now I head back to Google Flow. Here, keeping the initial settings I mentioned, I select the 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio. All we need to do now is paste our copied prompt into the prompt box. Once pasted, we hit Generate and wait for our image to be created. Our image is generated, and it looks really cool. Excellent, it created something just like the original image, but from a different angle, a dog reading a newspaper and a cat knitting. There are tons of images on this site that you can draw inspiration from and use their free prompts. Whatever style you're looking for, you'll find prompts for it. The next site I want to introduce is Lexica. Just like the previous site, it has images in every style imaginable, but instead of sorting them into different categories, it gives you a search bar where you can look up any type of image you want. You can also just scroll down to explore realistic promotional images, anime styles, or pretty much any style you need. I really like this one, so I'll click on it. It's an anime-style image showing a messy room. Here, we just click Copy Prompt. Then I head back to Google Flow, paste our prompt right here, and this time I'll select the 3:4 aspect ratio, which works great for vertical and portrait images. Finally, I hit Generate and wait for the image to be created. It generated our image. This one turned out beautiful as well, in anime style, very similar to the reference image here. On this website, there are also several other images created with the same prompt that you can swap through right here. What really stands out on this website are the commercial and product images. I highly recommend trying these for your own products because the prompts are exceptional and work amazingly well for product intro visuals and poster designs. Now, let's move on to the third site. This one is called PromptDen. What sets this platform apart from the previous two is that it also includes video prompts, so alongside image prompts, it offers prompts for video generation as well. Its main focus is on realistic and surreal imagery, offering a wide variety of prompts that you can use completely for free. I took a liking to this image right here, so I'll click on it. Once this page opens, I select the text in the prompt section, press Ctrl+C to copy it, head back to Google Flow, paste the copied prompt into the prompt box, and hit Generate. On this site, you can also check out the images with the highest views and likes to see what prompts are currently trending and most popular. And here is our generated image. It's slightly different from the source image, but overall it captured the exact same concept, and with just a minor prompt tweak, you can easily match the original look completely. Now let's jump into the fourth site. Its name is God of Prompt, and it provides tons of images and videos ready for prompt copying. The standout feature that makes this site special is its inclusion of JSON prompts, which helps ensure that what you copy delivers precisely the intended visual result. It also offers numerous categories, so I'll click on one of them right here. Once you enter this page, it displays the image for us, where all you need to do is click Copy Prompt. Then I head back to Google Flow, paste it into this section, click Generate, and wait for the image to be created. Here you can find top-tier prompts, especially optimized for image-to-image, nano-to-nano, which match seamlessly with Google Flow to recreate those exact looks. Also, if you click on any image, you can see similar related visuals right underneath it. Our image is ready. It's a picture of a girl sitting on a chair on the sidewalk with a streetwear style. I highly recommend trying out all of these websites, and let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. I hope these 4 essential websites help you find your ideal prompts faster and create mind-blowing AI art in Google Flow. Which of these tools caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until the next video with even more incredible AI tools, take care.